Good morning, everybody. We finished the concepts of multiple submultiples. Now we will do some numericals from exercise 6D. Exercise 6D based on multiple submultiples. First Roman first sum. Simplify 1 sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Very simple. Sin 2 theta you can write as 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta you can write as 2 cos square minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels. So I want to say whenever you find 1 plus cos 2 theta, you write 2 cos square theta because 1 automatically cancels. Whenever you find 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, you convert it to sin. Means 1 again cancels, 2 sin square theta. So remember this as a standard result. 1 plus cos 2 theta is always 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is always 2 sin square theta. This is a standard result by heart. Cos 2 theta you can write 2 cos square minus 1. 1 cancel 2 cos square theta. Here cos 2 theta same another formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Open the bracket 1 cancel 2 sin square theta is left out. So by heart these two as the two separate formulae. 1 plus cos 2 theta always 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta 2 sin square theta. If it is theta, it is automatically theta by 2. If it is theta, it is automatically theta by 2. So whenever if you find 1 plus cos theta, write as cos 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2. So by heart this has a separate result. By heart this has a separate result, most important. Now we have 1 plus cos 2 theta. I am writing it as 2 cos square theta simply. Now 2 gets cancelled. 1 cos and cos gets cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta over the something. Simplify it as well. Like the same is giving second bit 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. In the same one may first bit we did and one may second bit also is giving. That is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos theta. These are just based on multiple submultiple formulae. 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Very simple. This cos 3 theta formula you know. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So just write down the formula and cover something. 3 cos theta plus 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by denominator 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. If I open the brackets minus 3 sin theta plus 4 sin cube theta minus of minus plus 4 sin cube theta plus 4 sin cube theta. Now 3 cos theta cancels. 3 sin theta cancels. So write as 4 cos cube theta by 4 sin cube theta. 4 cos cube theta by 4 sin cube theta. You can cancel 4. So cos by sin. Cot cube theta over cot cube theta. Like this you can simplify. Next. Second one. In the second also we will do what two sums. First Roman, second sum. In this also there are 2-3 bits. First bit is second and first bit is 6 sin 20 minus 6 sin 20 minus 8 sin cube 20. 8 sin cube 20. Very simple. If you take 2 common over, it will convert to sin 3 theta formula. If I take 2 common, this becomes 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. see, if I take 2 common, 3 sin 20 minus 4 sin 20 is in the form of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta. So 2 into sin 3 theta, 3 into 20, 60 degrees. 2 into sin 60 value we know, root 3 by 2. So 2 cancels. Left out result is root 3. Left out result is root 3. Root 3. Like this we can do the remaining bits in the same. Next, coming to the third part. First Roman, third one. In this first bit is sin 4 theta by sin theta. Sin 4 theta by sin theta. Simplify in terms of cos 2 theta and cos theta. Simplify in terms of cos theta and cos cube theta is asking. First of all, sin 4 theta, how can I write? There are two ways of doing it. One is you can write like sin of 2 into 2 theta, so that you can find this sin 2 theta formula. Another way is sin of theta plus 3 theta. Sin of theta plus 3 theta. If I write sin of theta plus 3 theta, I will get sin 3 theta formula. That is another way of doing. Your choice of doing. One is write it as theta plus 3 theta. Another is 2 into 2 theta. 4 theta you can write as 2 into 2 theta. Your choice of writing answer. Which one? By sin theta. Now, if you expand this sin of a plus b formula, sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, cos a sin b whole by sin theta, whole by sin theta. Now, if you split it, sin theta cancel. This becomes cos 3 theta plus cos theta into sin 3 theta by sin theta. Sin 3 theta I can write as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by sin theta. So that I can take sin theta common and cancels. One sin goes off. Now cos 3 theta I can write directly 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta. And here if I take sin common and cancels, left out is cos theta into, left out is cos theta into 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Because I took sin theta common and cancels with the denominator. Left out is 3 minus 4 sin square theta. This sin square now I can write in terms of cos, 1 minus cos square. Because he is asking in terms of cos cube and cos only. He is asking in terms of cos cube and cos. So, how do we do? This I can write like this. This part I can write 3 cos theta if I open the brackets and then sin square as 1 minus cos square. So, becomes 4 cos cube theta as it is minus 3 cos theta as it is plus cos theta into 3 cos theta minus 4 cos theta into minus 4 cos theta into sin square theta. Sin square I will write as again 1 minus cos square theta. So that 3 cos cancels. Left out is 4 cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta minus 2 minus plus 4 cos cube theta. So left out is 8 cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta. 8 cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta. Like this you can simplify it. 3 में second bit cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta in terms of sin 2 theta. In terms of sin 2 theta. Simplify this in terms of sin 2 theta is asking. And this is very important result. Instead of every time, everywhere you will find sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. You can use this result directly instead of doing all this. Now, how to simplify this first? Sin power 6, cos power 6 theta I can write as cos square theta whole cube. plus sin power 6 theta, I can write sin square theta whole cube. Cos square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube. Now I have a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. How to simplify? A cube plus b cube, we have two formulas. One is a plus b whole cube formula by simplifying. A plus b whole cube formula, you know, this is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus 3ab into a plus b. If I bring this to this side, minus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube is a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. I will use this. Another formula is a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. That also you can use. So whichever you are familiar, you can use that formula. Okay. So this is one formula, that is another formula. Why I am using this is a plus b means sin square plus cos square. I will get 1 directly. That's why I am using this formula. So a plus b whole cube means sin square plus cos square whole cube. That is 1 cube minus 3ab means 3 cos square theta into sin square theta into again a plus b sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So such a simple way you can get if you use this formula. That's why I am using this. So a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. If I use a plus b sin square plus cos square 1 cube minus 3ab 3 cos square into sin square into a plus b sin square plus cos square again 1. Simple. So 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta I got. Now it is asked in terms of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. So to get that I am doing into 4 by 4. Into 4 by 4. So that value will not change. Into 4 by 4 if I do, value will not change. 4 cancel this one. Now this is 2 sin theta cos theta whole square only. Sin square 2 theta only. So the final result is 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2 theta. 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2 theta. 1 minus 3 by 4 into sin square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta. You can remember this result. Next third bit. 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. Simplify in terms of tan theta by 2. Simplify in terms of tan theta by 2. And this result you can remember. Your choice. Result is not important. The procedure how I am approaching is important for this. Theta by 2 is asking. Now it means 1 minus cos theta whenever if you find, I told you one formula in the beginning itself. What is that? 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 1 minus cos theta whenever you find, write simply 2 sin square theta by 2 plus sin theta formula means if you do into 2 by 2, this is sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Denominator also same. 1 plus cos theta whenever if you find, I told you to write 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta plus this again sin theta into 2 by 2 if I do 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now by taking 2 sin theta by 2 common in the numerator, if I take 2 sin theta by 2 common in the numerator, left out here is 1 sin theta by 2 plus here 2 sin theta by 2 common, left out is cos theta by 2. Left out is cos theta by 2. And from the denominator, I can take 2 cos theta by 2. From the denominator, I can take 2 cos theta by 2. Left out here is 1 more cos theta by 2 plus this is sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2. So, if I cancel cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2, so left out is 2 also cancels. Sin by cos is tan. So, the final result is tan theta by 2. This is the terms of tan theta by 2. So value of this is tan theta by 2. I am repeating, whenever you find 1 minus cos theta, blindly write down 2 sin square theta. Whenever if you find 1 plus cos theta, bluntly write 2 cos square theta by 2. I already told you in the beginning itself. Because this is cos 2 theta formula. If you expand, you will get this. Next, same sin 2 theta formula. 2 sin theta by 2, cos 2 theta by cos theta by 2. Denominator also. Now I have taken 2 sin theta by 2 to common in the numerator. 2 cos theta by 2 common in the denominator. So the 2 cancelled, this and this cancelled. Left out is sin by cos, tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Next, coming to fourth sum. Root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta equal to 2 cos theta by 2 is asked to do. Now, the same concept I will use. 1 plus cos 2 theta is always 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. If it is in place of 2 theta, if it is theta, you write theta by 2 I told. In place of 2 theta, if it is 4 theta, you will get 2 theta. So that concept I will use. LHS. Root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of, if I take 2 common from these two, 1 plus cos 4 theta. Now this is 1 plus cos 2 theta formula, 2 cos square theta I told. So this is 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 into 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square 2 theta this becomes. So this is equal to root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 into, I am repeating, 1 plus cos 2 theta, by heart it as a formula I told it as 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. If it is theta, you get theta by 2 I told. If it is 4 theta, double, automatically this becomes 2 theta. So, you can write as 2 cos square 2 theta here. 2 cos square 2 theta. Now, this is 2 into 2, 4 and this is cos square. So, if I take out this root with this 4 and 2, so it becomes 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 plus. This root 4 is 2, root of cos square is cos 2 theta. Now, if I take 2 common from these two, again it becomes the same. Root of 2 plus root of, if I take 2 common, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Direct actual formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So in place of this, I can directly write 2 cos square theta. So what happens? 2 cos square theta. How can I write? So that becomes root of 2 plus 2 into 2 cos square theta. Now this is 2 into 2, 4. So if you take off the root, becomes root 4 means 2, cos square means cos. Now if I take 2 common again from these two, 2 common again from these two. So 2 into 1 plus cos. Again 1 plus cos theta. In place of 2 theta, if I have theta, this is theta by 2. So 2 cos square theta by 2. So this becomes root of 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2. So root, if I take off root 4 means 2, cos square means cos. 2 cos theta by 2. That only we have to prove. Observe. Is equal to RHS. Therefore L is equal to RHS. The whole sum revolves around 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Standard result I told by heart. Next fifth sum. Find the extreme values of first bit cos 2x plus cos square x. Cos 2x plus cos square x. Find the extreme values of this. Cos 2x plus cos square x. There are two ways of doing it. One is converting cos 2x in terms of cos square, because 2 cos square minus 1 you can write. Then you will get 2 cos square plus cos square, 3 cos square minus 1 you can do, that is one way. Another way is cos square in terms of cos 2x. Because I told you 1 minus cos 2 theta is always 2 sin square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. Cos square x I have. So if I bring by on this side, this is by 2. So I can find. I can convert all in terms of cos 2 theta. So your choice of doing, I am going for that method. So cos 2x plus instead of cos square x, I can write 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this is equal to, if I take 2 LCM, this becomes 2 cos 2x, 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2x, plus 1 plus cos 2x. So this becomes 2 cos 2x plus cos 2x, 3 cos 2x, 3 cos 2x plus 1 by 2. Why I am doing this method? Now you can understand. Another method also we will do if you want. Both the methods, not only two methods. For Elisa you can do in many ways. If you try all the methods, your brain will be sharper, 100%. But in class we don't have the time, so we will do one method. Remember, you have to learn. So that's why I am giving the idea also for the second method. You can write cos 2x as 2 cos square minus 1. So you can get 3 cos square minus 1, then simplify. So that is another way of doing, that is another case. Now coming to this, what we have? 3 cos 2x plus 1 by 2. Now find the extreme values, means minimum and maximum values is asking. So we know that cos theta always lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Means cos 2x always lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Cos 2x always lie between minus 1 to plus 1. We know. Now if I multiply with 3, so minus 3 less than or equal to 3 cos 2x less than or equal to 3. 3 cos 2x is less than or equal to 3. So lie between minus 3 to 3. 3 times of cos 2x. Again, if I do plus 1, so I will get plus 1 plus 1. So becomes minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 less than or equal to 3 cos 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 4. Now by 2 I need. So divide by 2. So that inequality will not change. It is easy for you to do. So the minimum value is minus 1, maximum value is 2. Minimum value is minus 1, maximum value is 2. Therefore, minimum value of the function equal to minus 1. And maximum value of the function equal to plus 2. This is one way of doing. In this second way. And one more thing, Mama. In most of the books you will find this is converted to cos square because that is easier way. But why I am saying this is useful concept for object. So many sums you can solve using this. Next sum also I will try like this. See how simple it is. If you are habituated to this, you can find maximum minimum very easily. That's why I am telling you different method, total different method, which you can understand very easily. So the next sum is 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. 3 sin square x plus 5 cos square x. To do in that method, square method, it is a difficult task, but this is very easy if you do in the previous method what I did. Sin square x, you can write as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 because 2 sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x. Like cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So all the sums you can do in one method only simply. So by taking 2 LCM, it becomes 3 minus 3 cos 2x plus 5 plus 5 cos 2x. So becomes 3 plus 5, 8 plus minus 3 plus 5, 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x by 2. If I take 2 common and it cancels, 4 plus cos 2x. 4 plus cos 2x. Now previous method same. Cos 2x lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Cos 2x lie between minus 1 to plus 1. If I add 4, value will not change. Plus 4, plus 4. So cos 2x plus 4 lie between minus 3 to minus 4, minus 1 plus 4, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. So 3 less than or equal to cos 2x plus 4 less than or equal to 5. So minimum value is 3, maximum value is 5. Is lie between 3 and 5 means minimum value equal to 3. Minimum value equal to 3 and maximum value equal to 5. Maximum value equal to 5. This is how you can do very easily. Sixth sum. If a less than or equal to cos theta plus 3 root 2 into sin of 3 root 2 into sin of theta plus pi by 4 sin of theta plus pi by 4 plus 6 sin of theta plus pi by 4 plus 6 less than or equal to b. Then what is asking? Then find the largest value of a, smallest value of b. Find the largest value of a, smallest value of b. Is nothing but the maximum value. Largest value of a means it cannot be less than that. So it should be more than a. And smallest value of b means it can be less than b. And b plus 1, b plus 2 like that. So it can be less than b. Minimum value of b, maximum value of a is nothing but minimum and maximum value of the function is asking simply. So how to find minimum and maximum value? If it is sin theta, a sin theta plus b cos theta, I told you c plus root of a square plus b square. Maximum value and minimum value is c minus root of a square plus b square. But here it is theta, here it is theta plus pi by 4. So first we will simplify this, we will convert into a sin theta plus b cos theta, then we will apply that. Means cos theta plus 3 root 2 into, this is sin of a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus 6. Now this becomes cos theta plus 3 root 2 into, this is cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So sin theta plus cos theta by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 calcium. So root 2 plus 6. So that root 2 cancels. Now if I open the brackets, cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 3 cos theta plus 6. Now it becomes 3 cos theta plus cos theta, 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 6. Now what happens? This is equal to, this is the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Means I can find maximum minimum very easily. Maximum equal to c plus root of a square plus b square. This is equal to, c here is 6 plus root of a square, 4 square 16 plus 9, root 25. Root 25 is 5. So 6 plus 5, 11 is the maximum value, and minimum value equal to c minus root of a square plus b square is equal to 6 minus 5 equal to 1. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. This is how we will solve.